So you might be in this really random situation where for some reason this One UI update is basically stuck on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. The number one reason why a One UI update might be stuck on your device is usually because within One UI, it can go through and randomly give you these random updates. Now, if you see this number on the bottom right here, if you see it ending up going up or changing or the bar is going up or down, your best bet is to just leave your phone as it is and just let it chart, basically just let it, install the update. Now, if it's been hours and your device is still not working, then what you can do is you could hold down that side power button on the side of your device, and you might be able to go through and see if that ends up kind of fixing or repairing this issue. Sometimes if you just hold down this side button and basically just, restart your phone, that can also end up fixing this problem for you too. And that's another really big thing I recommend doing here, because that's another very basic thing. If that's still not working, you might have to go through and basically keep your phone plugged in. So plug in your Samsung Galaxy device, plug it in, and just go see if that ends up randomly fixing the problem with it just charging. And that might end up fixing the problem for you as well. So those are kind of the main ways to go and fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.